Okay, I've been wanting to do this for a while. So this is going to come out on Mondays. When we have our planning meeting, we talk about planning for just 1 week at a time. And then when we have the calendar, we have different categories where we have learning about unschooling, connecting with kids, getting support, doing self-care, things like that. So, because I want you to only look 1 week at a time. We had such success with the challenge that I realized that a lot of you still kind of need a little bit of help figuring out where everything is. I don't want it to be like getting a drink from a fire hose. That's what I was just mentioning on the coaching call just a few minutes ago, where I went over each of these different sections. So if you go to today's coaching call, and today is Monday, October the 9th, if you go to the coaching call, you'll see me go through each of these links. There'll be a SMART Goal PDF. This is a video about what is unschooling, the stuff for getting connected through the Zoom Wednesday call, the conversation starter cards. I showed those and explained them a little more. How well do you know what you need? That's a PDF that we shared yet last week, but I think that it's really important for those of you that maybe haven't seen it to look at it, to see what do you need as far as figuring out how do you learn best. And then a weekly review PDF, there's a link for that. And then the calendar space in the Circle platform that has the string calendar and the coaching calendar for the month. So each week, I'm going to change these up. You'll have a different little thing about planning, a different little thing about unschooling and deschooling. This will always be the same because it's our coaching call. But you can always go over and look at stuff or leave a question. The tools for connection with your kids, that'll be a little bit different each time. And self-care, same thing. The weekly review page is the same until we go ahead and change it, and that space is the same. Remember, too, that Katie puts all of those string calendar extras at Circle, and then they're all sitting there waiting for you in that private web page that is just the calendar. Okay, well, I just wanted to come on here and tell you what is this little PDF that I've made. So look for these on Mondays, and if you're like, okay, I just need to get organized, here's a little bit for you. So this will get you started. Let me know if you have any questions, and I will help you figure it all out.